Hey there, dear friends. I've got an exciting video for you today, a step-by-step drawing of a beautiful poppy flower in pencil. Let's dive right in. First, I carefully stretched a sheet of watercolor paper using Molar tape, ensuring a smooth surface for my drawing. This step helps to keep the paper in place and prevents any unwanted wrinkles. Next, I started sketching the outlines of the poppy flower using a hard pencil. I made delicate and thin lines to capture the basic shape and structure of the flower. It's always a good idea to start with light strokes to get the proportions right. As I progressed, I used an eraser to remove any unnecessary lines that I didn't want in the final drawing. It's like a magic wand that allows me to correct any mistakes and refine the details of the flower. To keep my drawing neat and clean, I gently brushed away the eraser particles from the paper. This way, I can maintain a clear view of my work and ensure that the lines I draw are crisp and precise. Once the composition of the drawing took shape, I began adding more definition and depth to the details. I used a darker pencil to create bold and vibrant lines, highlighting the intricate patterns and textures of the poppy flower. And voila, that's the process so far. You've witnessed the initial stages of this captivating poppy flower drawing. Stay tuned for the next part, where I'll continue adding more intricate details and bring this beautiful flower to life. Enjoy watching and let your creativity blossom along the way. To be continued.